This is a Mercedes washer jet, and these are known to block up, and they're actually a serviceable item. You can take the little drawer out of this and clean up the drawer. The drawer has 7 little, very small pillar. There you go. 7 little pillars in a semicircle. Behind there, they get covered in mud and dirt and blocks the jet. So the way you take this out of the drawer out of the washer jet is as follows. Excuse my dirty fingers. So this is where I'm putting it back in again. So I'll just put the drawer back in, like so, and that's how you find it. You unclip these two from the grill, which is screwed down to the bonnet with two T20 or three T20 torques. This pulls out. They're universal. They're not sided. You pull the hose off, and then when you want to take out these, it's like a little robot. Take these out. Use a small electrical screwdriver, like so, and you very gently, without any damage, put it in there, and out she comes. You don't want to damage this drawer. If you damage this drawer, it won't work at all well. So then you use, if you have a surgical clamp, great, or a small pliers, needle nose pliers, and you work it out gently until it comes out. Or you tease it out underneath with the electrical, you tease it out with the electrical pliers, like so. See this? And then you'll see again what I'm talking about. This is the bottom side of the little drawer. You see that the 7 little pillars. All the dirt will be sitting behind those. You clean it out, flush it out, and then blow out the main body. If you have a compressor, use compressed air, or use penetrating oil, and flush it out with a nozzle of penetrating oil. So that goes back in like so, with the slot facing down, the wider slot facing down. Push them in all the way, like so, and then we test.